everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and if you want to see how I created this yellow orange eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I just created this yellow orange eyeshadow look, and yeah, so I do have a giveaway going on. It was posted the 26th, so don't forget to check that out. I have the Morphe palette, the setting spray, and I have the Too Faced Hangover primer and the Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer in that giveaway, along with a couple other little items to make it more like back to school and summer appropriate. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time. Bye!